Okay, so they were in the barrel for 6 days, and then the way to tell that they're finished is if the skin is all the same color. If it's not the same color, then you need to put them in longer.
Oh,
the skin on the side.
Looking at the thickness there.
So all the way through that, it has to be the same color.
According to Reader's Digest.
And then rinse them really good. You can use a sink, but we use a garden hose. And then you hang them up out of direct sunlight, first side out, and let them dry. So they're right in front of our house for everyone to enjoy. Alright, the hides have been drying out here overnight. The book said it takes several days for them to dry. Some pieces are actually getting hard already. And so what you do is just start pulling it apart and kind of kneading it, working it. And as it stretches, it turns a lighter color. And it looks like the leather that you would find in the store. This is a part that he's stretched and it's white. It feels like leather. It's dry right here. Feels just normal, but then there's other parts, like on this belly, it's still wet. So that's all we're waiting for, is them to finish drying and then just start stretching them and working them.